Okay, so I have some links on the website as well, as far as cash first policies, control, cash is the future of long-term care. These are all things that I get sent to through a brokerage I work through. But they're great ideas. I can explain them to you instead of you looking up all the links. But let's go over taxes and incentive programs. So nobody really understands the tax side of it, but as far as business owners or people that have a part owner in a corporation, self-employed people, if you just go into the IRS publication 535, you can read up on all the different laws of what you can write off in your Schedule C, Schedule F, if you're doing a Schedule D even, as far as long-term care, if you're doing an easy app. Here's for, I want to see, this is 2009 rates now, but notice on long-term care at age 40 or younger you can write off $310. 41 to 50, 580. So this is what your write-off limit is if it's business related. Now you need to talk. I'm not a tax advisor. I'm not a CPA, but you need to mention this to your CPA when you do your taxes. The next thing is here. Let me close out of this. You can go to this link, long-term care insurance credit. Well, now I'm in Minnesota. Under Minnesota, if a taxpayer who purchases insurance to provide long-term care coverage, such as nursing home coverage for themselves and their spouse, may take a credit of 25% of the premiums paid, up to a maximum of $100. So $200 if they go together. That's another tax credit. Okay, so we just reduced your premium a little bit more here now. Alright, so let's get back out of this one now. Let's go back to Goldman Agency. So that's two ways to reduce your premium. And here, let me get out of this. Let's go home. With Goldman Agency, what we do is we can also offer you Sage Scholars tuition rewards here. So you're probably wondering, well, what is Sage Scholars tuition rewards? Well, what we can do is I'll show you. It's a dollar-for-dollar match. Tuition rewards. Okay. Sage Scholars tuition rewards, and then I'll tell you all about the program. But it's a dollar for match for college education. So if you're paying $500 a year in premium, wouldn't you like to put $500 in an account for your kid to go to college? Now, not all colleges accept this. There is a list, but they are growing. You can read up on all the information you need to make an account. I give you a number that lets you into the program, and basically you can start earning credits. So you can see about the program here. The next thing is here. Let me go back to my Goldman Agency. Go to insurance tips, or how you can reduce your premium. I have a couple videos on how you can reduce your premium. You can pull your insurance together. You can go with a higher deductible, good driving record, good credit. I mean, that's when it comes to your auto. How to pay with a credit card, and kind of stick it to the company through just a little shifting of money. That's another way you can reduce your premium. But the biggest thing with the long-term care plan is the way we structure it. Now with this cash first, here I'll go back here 1 second. With this cash first kind of plan, what we can do is we can basically structure it a little bit different, and I guarantee you there's probably only 10 or 20 agents in the United States that understand how to do this, first of all. But it's taking your benefit period, and basically we set it up so you get more cash up front. You go with a shorter period, so basically you get all the money out of the account as quick as possible. And that's how we make it a cash first, because honestly, if you go into a long-term care home health care situation and your policy is $100 a day benefit, well, is $100 a day really going to help you out, or would $300 a day really help you out? And we can do it for the exact same premium. So it's a little bit of, it takes some organization, but I'm not going to give all my secrets away here. But that's how basically we do it. So hopefully these tips help you. Hopefully you kind of dive into them a little bit more. If you have any questions, once again, you can call me or email me at kyle@goldmanagency.com.